Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to align text in the middle of a container using CSS. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. We will be making use of a software called Visual Studio Code to write our code. I highly recommend this software to programmers, but you can use any text editor of your choice. We have an open HTML file named index.html, and now we are going to put our text, and now we will link our CSS file. Now you can see that the file name here by default corresponds with the file name that we already created before. Now we'll open our HTML file on Visual Studio Code using an extension called Live7. Note that this step is not compulsory and you can still follow without using Live7 by just opening your HTML file with any browser of your choice. Now the website is open successfully, and now open our CSS file to write our CSS code. We will style the H1 tag and give it a background color of blue. And then a height of 200 pixels. And then a width of 600 pixels. And then we will save our file. To bring this text to the center here, we will go to our CSS and use the text align. We will write text align and put the value of center to center our text in the middle of the content. Now, to center our text vertically in the middle of the container, we will change the line height property. The value of the line height property will be the same value as the height of the container. So we will write 200 pixels and then we save. As you can see here, the text we wrote is in the middle of the container. So that is how you center text both vertically and horizontally in the middle of a container. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel so that you will see more of our videos.